Hello all, my name is William Rose, and I am enrolled in the traditional BSN program at Nebraska Methodist College. A little about myself: I am happily married to my beautiful wife, I have 4 loving children, and I have 2 grandchildren. I enjoy spending time outdoors, I enjoy spending time with my family, and I also love to watch my kids participate in all of their various sports, which include football, wrestling, golf, and baseball. A picture below is a picture of my wife and our 2 beautiful grandchildren. A leader that I admire, it would be Alexander the Great. This individual has conquered empires against all odds through divine leadership. He is so revered that military leaders to this day still teach Alexander's war tactics, and this individual has accomplished so much before his untimely death at the age of 32. Thank you for your time.